Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off keyboard backlit on HP laptop. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is my keyboard in HP laptop, and then I'm going to show you how we can turn on or turn off the keyboard backlit. If you want to do that, you just need to click on this button, this one. Okay, and you can simply click at this button and the keyboard backlit will be turned up, and you click on this keyboard one more time, it will be dimmer, and when you click again you can turn it off. Okay, just simply click on this button to turn on or turn off your keyboard backlit. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn on or turn off keyboard backlit on HP laptop. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.